Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply for a Bunnings job. If you find this video useful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the first thing you want to do is open up any web browser and go to Google, and then inside the Google search bar type in careers Bunnings and then hit search. And now scroll past all the sponsored results here and then click on careers from bunnings.com.au. And now once you're on the official website of bunnings.com, what you want to do is scroll down and then where it says why join us, have a read through that, and then it will say here how to apply. So after why join us, just quickly scroll down to how to apply. So what you want to do is search for a job you're interested. So search for a job at Bunnings using the following location, job category or employment type. Click on the job to access the full job description. If you're interested in the role, hit the apply button before you begin your application. So now what you want to do is click on this link from search for a job at Bunnings, because Bunnings put all their job offerings on this site here. So I'm going to open this in the new tab, open the new tab. And now it should give me a list of all the jobs available at Bunnings. So as you can see here, you can refine search for jobs or keywords, but if you just have a general look, you can see 109 jobs found. You've got a retail supervisor, Midland warehouse, customer service team, etc, etc. So this is in Auckland, Canterbury, Western Australia, and you can refine it by, if I click on the refine it by, you can click on state. So if you're from Victoria, simply click on that to click on view jobs. You can refine it even further if you want inside there. And then if you like a job here, take note of that job and then head back to Bunnings. And then what you want to do is sign in or create an account with Bunnings and then complete your application. So to complete your application, you can manually upload your CV or resume and any other information that might help with your application. Or you can just simply use your up-to-date LinkedIn or Seek profile. Other questions will be asked of you in the application form as well. And you also, for number 4, a complete online interview for selected jobs. So for team member positions in their distribution center, frame and truss stores and trade center locations, as part of the application process, you'll be asked several questions that closely link to the behaviors we expect from our team members. And then once you've done that, number 5 here, confirm, review and submit. So on completion of your application, please review the privacy statement. That they will review your application to inform you if we require any information or next steps. So this could take a couple of days to a couple of weeks for them to get back to you if you are successful, just like any other job interview place. And as it states here, so don't be disheartened if you miss out or there are no job opportunities available, as they receive thousands of applications each year for roles across Australia and New Zealand. So all we ask is just to be yourself during the process.